Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove game from library in Epic Games. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, just go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher. Now, to permanently remove a game from your Epic Games library, you must submit a request to Epic Games support to remove the title from your account. Okay? There is no direct delete button in the library, but alternatively, you can just go ahead and uninstall the game from your game library right here. Okay, so maybe you have Rocket League installed. Well, just click on three dots and hit on uninstall. Okay, but unfortunately, if you uninstall it, it will still be listed under your library. So what do we do now? So what you're gonna do basically is just go ahead and contact again Epic Games support. So just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, and then once done, go ahead and type down Epic Games support ticket. Okay, type it down and hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and find how to contact Epic Games. Click on it and just click on this chat bubble. All right, and then go ahead and describe your problem. Say, hi, I would like to get help on removing a game or games from my library. Just like so, and then hit on send. Now, as you can see here, the Epic Games support assistant or the chat AI will reply to you. But don't worry, as it says here, it can direct you to the actual support. Now, it says here if the game is eligible for a refund, you can remove it from your library by following these steps. So you could go ahead and take a refund. If not, you could go ahead and click on this thumbs down, and then type down chat with an agent. Okay, just like so. And it says here, would you like to speak with a member of our support team? Well, all you got to do is just click on yes right here and just wait for the chat support. That is it. Ask them nicely that you wanted to remove a game from your library. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.